Are we recording? Great. We're here at the V-Drums Research Laboratory outside of Los Angeles, where we are conducting our final testing phase of the Noise Eater V-Drums sound isolation system. We've connected our test subject drummer to our TD15 KB V-Drum set with the Noise Eater NE-1s and NE-10s installed. To simulate the noise and vibration from the upstairs neighbor while the drums are being played, we've placed our test subject on top of this crate. And representing the downstairs neighbor, we've placed a sleeping bear inside. Are you ready to give it a try? Assistant, are you ready with the meter? Commence drumming! Success! We did not wake the bear. Now let's try it without the noise eaters and see what happens.